Have you ever watched the news and thought, what does that word even mean? Words like aftershock, drought, or landslide might sound complicated, but trust me, once you learn them, you'll understand real conversations, news reports, and even movies instantly. So today, we're unlocking 15 powerful words about natural disasters, explained clearly, with examples, so you'll never feel lost again. Stay with me until the end, because I'll also show you a quick practice trick to make these words stick in your memory forever. Let's get started. Our first word is earthquake. An earthquake is when the ground suddenly shakes because of movements under the Earth's surface. Example, the earthquake damaged hundreds of buildings. Now, repeat with me. Earthquake. Word 2, aftershock. After an earthquake, sometimes smaller shakes happen. These are called aftershocks. Example, the city experienced several aftershocks after the big earthquake. So, remember, earthquake first, then aftershock. Word 3, tsunami. Word 3 is tsunami. This is a giant sea wave caused by an earthquake or volcanic eruption under the ocean. Example, the tsunami hit the coast within minutes after the earthquake. Notice, we don't say a tsunami wave, because tsunami itself already means a wave. Word 4, flood. Next is flood. A flood happens when water covers land that is usually dry. Example, the heavy rain caused flooding in the city's streets. Simple, right? Flood equals too much water. Word 5, flash flood. Now, a flash flood is a sudden flood that happens very quickly, usually after heavy rain. Example, tourists were rescued during a flash flood in the desert. Flash equals fast. Easy way to remember. Word 6, hurricane, typhoon, cyclone. Our sixth word is actually 3 words. Hurricane, typhoon, cyclone. They all mean the same thing. A huge storm with strong winds and rain. The name changes depending on where it happens. Example, Hurricane Katrina was one of the deadliest in history. Word 7, tornado. Number 7, tornado. A tornado is a violent, rotating funnel of air that touches the ground. Example, the tornado destroyed several houses in just minutes. Quick tip, tornadoes are fast, unpredictable, and very dangerous. Word 8, wildfire. Next is wildfire. This is an uncontrolled fire that spreads in forests, grasslands, or mountains. Example, firefighters worked all night to stop the wildfire. Word 9, drought. Number 9, drought. This is a long period without rain. Crops dry up, rivers shrink, and life becomes very difficult. Example, the drought caused food shortages in the region. Word 10, avalanche. Here's a colder one. Avalanche. That's when a large amount of snow slides quickly down a mountain. Example, the avalanche trapped several climbers. Easy way to remember? Avalanche equals snow disaster. Word 11, landslide. Now, if rocks or soil slide down a hill or mountain, we call it a landslide. Example, the landslide blocked the main highway. Word 12, volcanic eruption. Next, volcanic eruption. This happens when a volcano explodes, releasing lava, ash, and smoke. Example, the volcanic eruption forced people to leave the island. Word 13, heat wave. Number 13, heat wave. A heat wave is a period of extremely hot weather that lasts for days or weeks. Example, the heat wave made it dangerous to go outside. Word 14, blizzard. Now, a blizzard is a severe snowstorm with very strong winds. Example, the airport closed because of the blizzard. Word 15, famine. And our final word is famine. This means extreme lack of food, usually because of droughts or natural disasters. Example, millions of people suffered during the famine. Quick recap. Okay, let's quickly recap. Today we learned 15 natural disaster words: earthquake, aftershock, tsunami, flood, flash, flood, hurricane, tornado, wildfire, drought, avalanche, landslide, volcanic eruption, heat wave, blizzard, and famine. Repeat them with me one more time. Pause for repetition. Great job. Now you know the most important natural disaster vocabulary. Remember? Don't just memorize these words. Try using them in your daily conversations. Or when you read the news. That's how you'll really make them part of your fluent English. Tell me in the comments, which natural disaster do you hear about most in your country? And don't forget to subscribe to Speak Fluent
Hello
English for more
everyone,
lessons on
welcome back to
vocabulary.